GameGuardian function allows us to interact with tabs within the GameGuardian interface itself. We start by defining a custom function with name, showActiveTab, which takes a parameter called step. This function retrieves the currently active tab using GameGuardian and displays an alert showing the current active tab ID along with a description of the current step in the script. The script then performs a search for the number 100 of type D word. After initiating the search, it pauses for a second using sleep to allow the operation to complete. After the initial search, the script calls showActiveTab with the parameter after search. This lets us see which tab is currently active after performing the search. Next, an alert pops up, suggesting that you can switch tabs if you want to check how the active tab changes. The script waits for 2 seconds to give you time to switch tabs if necessary. Now, the script refines the search further by refining the number 100 of type D word. Again, it pauses for a second to ensure the operation completes before moving on. The script calls showActiveTab again, this time with the parameter after refine to check and display the currently active tab. You are prompted with an alert suggesting you can switch tabs to see the active tab's behavior, followed by another 2-second pause. The script then retrieves up to 10 search results. For each result, it modifies the value to 200. Once the values are set, the script pauses for 1 more second. As we get to the part of the script where we modify the search results, you will notice we are using a for loop together with the iPairs function. This loop iterates over each result stored in the results table. iPairs is used to iterate over elements in a table that are indexed by numbers. Here, V represents each individual element or entry in the results table. We then assign a new value of 200 to each of these entries, ensuring that all matching search results are updated efficiently. Show active tab is called with after edit to show the active tab after the values have been edited. The script concludes with an alert indicating that the script has finished successfully. This script demonstrates how to effectively use the gggetActiveTab function to retrieve the index of the currently active tab in the upper menu of GameGuardian. As you have seen, the active tab is clearly marked by a red square on the screen, allowing us to monitor which part of the interface is in focus during different stages of the script.